How to hire a cleaning company for my Airbnb property. Hiring a cleaning company for your Airbnb property can help ensure that your space is clean and well maintained for your guests. Here are some steps you can take to hire a cleaning company. Research cleaning companies in your area. Look for companies that specialize in cleaning vacation rentals or Airbnb properties. Determine the scope of the job. Be clear about what you need the cleaning company to do, including what areas of the property need to be cleaned, how often you need cleaning services, and any special instructions or requirements. Get quotes. Contact several cleaning companies and get quotes for their services. Make sure to compare prices, but also consider the quality of the services they offer. Overall, hiring a cleaning company for your Airbnb property can help you provide a better experience for your guests and ensure that your property is clean and well maintained between guests. Get your free cleaning estimate today at www.mycleaningbid.com.